Hello, my name is Caleb Carter, and today we're looking at part number XL-R/A-1980. This is your Kodiak XL ProLube oil cap and aluminum housing for your 5-lug trailer axles. Let's take a look at it. Okay, so today we're looking at part number XL-R/A-1980. This is your Kodiak XL ProLube oil cap and aluminum housing for your 5-lug trailer axles. Let's check it out. So, two-piece right here. You got your aluminum housing, and then you have the plastic cap that has the O-ring, rubber O-ring on it, and it screws into the aluminum housing right here. These are commonly found on boat axles a lot, and we'll just measure it out real quick. So, inside thread on the aluminum housing is going to be 1.66, and then the outer diameter on the aluminum housing on the small part where it would actually go inside the hub, it's going to be 1.97 or 1.98, and that on the bigger part it's going to be 2.11, and on the inner diameter of the smaller part it's going to be 1.74, and then on your plastic cap yourself, the measurements on the thread is going to be 1.72 inches, and then the overall depth when both of them are screwed on together is going to be 1.90. So if you need these, you can get them at trailerpartsunlimited.com or give us a call at 844-898-8687, or just stop by our distribution center here in Huntsville, Texas, and we'd love to help you out. Thanks for watching.